Today I'm going to teach you how to make a dot mandala art on the plate at home with using some acrylic colors and home tools like a pencil, a pen, a earbud, a used thermometer, pencil, backside of a brush, and we need a compass to make a alignment of the circle. On this it will be easy to make a dots on it. Let's start. So the first step is we'll make a circle like this. The purpose of make this circle is when we'll start making designs with the dots, it will come properly. Okay, so first we'll finish it off with this, then we'll do dot painting on it. Okay, so just wait and see. Now we are going to start a dot mandala art on this plate. You can see I made a circles. Now let's start. It depends on you which color you want to use first. I'll take this pink magenta color first. Let's see how I am starting it. So this I took a pencil and one eraser is there. So I'll dip it like that and make one big dot. You can see. If you want to make a big circle, just spread it like that. That's it. Okay. Now I'll make a small dots surrounded. Let's see how I'm doing. You can take any color. I'm taking red. See. See how I am doing? See, this one circle is completed. Now I'll complete another circle. Let's keep it or wipe it out. I'm using an earbud and make another circle. See, take a earbud, dip it. One. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now wait. Now I'm taking a black color and with the use of a pen tip I'll do some small circles. This you need to do it very carefully. See. See, again I'll do inside the circle. See, isn't it? It looks nice. Okay. Now let me see. I can see the gap here, so I'll fill it again. Okay. See, small dots I'm making it here. In between the two dots I'm making one more small dot, so it will look full. Okay, if you see the some dots are smaller or some are bigger, you can tap it again and it will be bigger. Okay, now just wait. Now I am taking the bigger dots with the using of yellow color and that pencil and rubber side. See, you can turn the plate like that, like one by one once you're done. See, basically I'm doing this with the use of home available tools, like whatever things is available at home we are doing. You can buy from outside, the toolkit is also there in dots. See, now inside there we'll make a small dots again. Let me see which color I can take. Let me take a blue color. Now I am taking the earbud, and this another side I take out that, you know, that cotton, and again I dip it and I'll do it. I'll show you. See, okay. Okay, just complete is okay. Now wait for some time. See, that much is completed. Okay, now I am taking the pink color and this thermometer. Actually this is not useful because it's not working. Let's do. See, if you feel some dots are looking bigger, some are smaller, you can just, you know, dip it again and tap it. It will be bigger then. See, it's fine. Okay, now inside I keep some gaps. Here we'll do some another color. With the help of tip of this pen, I'll do a small dots. Which color I'll take? Let me take green. Okay, green. See, See, done. Now please wait. See, so we completed this much. Now I'll show you a new design with a small dots. We can make some different thing. Let's see. I'm taking the black color with the help of tip of the pencil. See. So like this we'll finish it off. Okay. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. I'm completing this bigger one first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll complete it like that. Okay. Now wait. Let me complete. So see, this much I have completed. Later on I'll complete this. I made one for you that I'll show you. See, it will be look like that after finishing it. See. Okay. Now once I'll finish, I'll show it to you. Thank you.